this on the bottom side, got some piping, and then I got a steel wire because it sticks on with these little hook clips down here. So you're gonna have to like hook it on under there. I got 2 wires going through just in case you miss one. Underside of it looks just like this here. We kind of got a little bit of tension on it too. The front's kind of gonna be lacking a little bit, but it realistically did it with this little simple brother machine. So this is literally a basic sewing machine. It's a little bit heavy duty, like so it can sew through some heavy stuff, but and then that's that thick thread. Let me see. Yeah, it's not really an upholstery machine or anything like that. So it's kind of best I can do for now. I mean, compared to before where it looked like a shark took a bite out of this thing, it's night and day difference. I ended up getting the grommet to sit in there good too, so I can still use the factory locking stuff there. But yeah, well, I'll show you what it looks like when it's on. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. All right, let's go.